With the wedding season right around the corner, I'm sure you'll all agree when I say nothing beats giving yourself a full glow up and getting all dressed up. If you need a little help with this, let us be your all-in-one hairstylist, parlor auntie, and makeup artist to give you the amazing makeover you're looking for. A new do is probably the best way to kick off your makeover, especially if you're dealing with unwanted grays. A fresh color will cover them all up and give your dry, frizzy strands that extra love they've been waiting for. You don't need to wait forever for a salon appointment, just grab an at-home hair color. When searching for the right colors, it's important to look for ones that have no ammonia and have extra nourishing ingredients to make your hair soft and shiny, as well as vanishing your grays. We've been loving Godrej Expert Rich Creme hair color because not only is it pocket friendly, it's also super simple to use, has 10 times more aloe to keep your hair healthy, and also has a bunch of shades to choose from to match your vibe, whether it's black, brown, or even burgundy. Just section your hair, mix the two pre-measured sachets together, and get to work covering up anywhere you see grays. Then wait 30 minutes and rinse, and you're already one step closer to your dream wedding makeover. Looking for a facial that gives you glowing skin without the time or effort? We have a variation of a haldi uptan that fits right in for the wedding season. Mix equal amounts of haldi and besan, add a dollop of our favorite aloe gel, and then create a paste by pouring in rose water. Apply it to your face and body, leave it on for just 10 to 15 minutes, and see for yourself how amazing you look. You know all those stunning makeup looks that need about 1,000,000 brushes and endless blending? Skip that and do this ultra trendy, ultra easy reverse eyeliner look that suits every eye shape and every skill level too. Grab any metallic neutral color that complements your outfit and dab some all over your eyelid. Then take a colored eye pencil. You can pick any color you want, whether you want to match your outfit or make your eyes pop. Draw a smudgy line right under your lashes and then wing it out. Add on some sparkles. Totally optional, but we definitely recommend it. And that's it, you're ready to go. So there you go. This 3-step makeover is exactly what you need and isn't impossible to achieve either. Trust us, try it yourself, stun everyone this wedding season, and thank us later. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.